Hi, I'm Adam Manson, Chief Product Officer at BBR. I'm excited to share a new enhancement now available in DealStats. When using RADA in DealStats, subscribers can now save their threads to return to later. With RADA built into DealStats, you can ask queries in plain language and instantly receive answers and documented explanations from the DealStats data, companion guide, and FAQ page. After you have entered a query in RADA and received a response, you can now save the thread by clicking the Save Thread button. All of your saved threads will appear in the left sidebar. You can return to a saved thread at any time by clicking on it. Should you wish to rename or delete your saved thread, you can do so by clicking on the three dots to the right of its name. You can also search your active thread or search for a saved thread. The new Save Thread feature is a great way to continue interacting with RADA on research that is important to you, or to retrieve a past thread where you performed work for a client. You can learn more by visiting www.bbresources.com/RADA. If you have questions, please contact us at customerservice@bbresources.com or give us a call at 503-479-8200.